Welcome to How to Reduce Belly Bloat, where I will show you how to reduce inches around the waist and belly without endless hours of exercise, ineffective sit-ups, uncomfortable waist trainers, and sweaty plastic wraps. Hello, I'm Velvet, and I'm a health, weight loss, and lifestyle coach. After studying sports, health, and exercise science at American Military University, I started coaching ladies to health, weight loss, success across the globe. I have coached private clients virtually as far away as Australia, and I have also coached groups and online masterminds. Because the number one question I'm asked by ladies globally is how to lose inches of belly bloat and belly fat, I designed this course to further educate women to greater health and physical conditioning. So, what is bloat? Bloating is the result of gas accumulating in your GI tract, or when bacteria in your large intestines have a difficult time breaking down certain foods. Much of the inches around the middle may not even be fat, but it may be water retention. So what is water retention? Water retention can accumulate within the tissue and can produce swelling, not only in the middle, but also in the hands, the feet, the ankles, and the legs. More times than not, this may be a result of what we are putting inside of our bodies. You may have heard that abs are created in the kitchen, right? Yes. What you are eating is the primary cause of stored belly fat, water retention, and even bloat in the center more times than not. Endless sit-ups, crunches, uncomfortable waist trainers, and sweaty plastic wrapping will not work without changing what is going on inside. In this course, you will learn all about some of the most common food ingredients and drinks that are producing bloat, water retention, and even belly fat. Some of these foods, drinks, and ingredients are even marketed as clean and healthy. Can you believe that? But they're deceptively not so clean. You will learn all about budget-friendly, cleaner, healthy alternatives, and even get some recipes that are delicious, keep you full, energetic, and satisfied. You will know how to look at food label nutrition facts and immediately be able to tell if it will produce bloat, water retention, and inches around the middle. The ideal student for this course is anyone at any fitness level and desire to get leaner in the middle. Whether you recently gave birth, like my client Tara, who was exercising regularly yet could not lose the post-baby belly. Whether you exercise fiercely and eat very healthy like my client Teresa here, but still found herself bloated and unable to lean out the middle. Even if you are fairly new in your journey to health and weight loss like my client Andrea, or a seasoned personal trainer like my client Donita looking for additional education and coaching. This course is also for those who would like to know all about healthier, cleaner, affordable options. At the end of this course, I will be giving away my ebook, Busy Girl's Guide to Lean Abs, which has been downloaded and shared by women across the globe. Feel free to look through the course description, and I'll see you soon.